Okay, this is the Milwaukee 2630-20 scale saw. Sorry, circular saw. This is take two. Unboxing time. This is the Milwaukee 2630-20 circular saw. I got it because they were doing the free battery event at Home Depot. So here's my free battery. Very pleased about a free battery. So you open the box. You got a blade in a bag, 6.5 inch, 24 tooth, and it's got the little plastic protective thing here. You got instructions. You got your tool. So this tool usually comes without the battery because you don't always have to buy an extra battery, but because I got it as part of the battery event, there she goes. It has the little blade lock tool. Come on, battery. Little blade lock tool stuck in the handle here. We've got the axle stop there. Reverse thread. So one of the things that tool companies do a lot, especially for people who have already got, if you bought a drill driver set, you've already got two batteries. When are you going to be using your drill and your driver and your saw at the same time? So maybe you want to save yourself $100 on the tool when you buy the new tool and you want to get just the tool. That's what this option is for. And then you don't have to every time be buying also a new battery, because then you end up with imagine if every tool that I bought from Milwaukee came with a battery. I'd have 5 Milwaukee batteries right now, and I'm never going to be using 5 tools at once. So having the option to get just the tool is pretty good, I think, anyway. Stats on this tool: 3,500 RPM, 0 to 50 degree tilt, 5/8 inch arbor, 6.5 inch blade, comes with a 24 tooth carbide tipped blade, aircraft aluminum shoe, and weighs 8.5 pounds. Chargers come with the tool when you buy the tool that comes with the battery. So if you buy a drill driver set and it comes with the batteries, it also comes with the charger. Milwaukee has a couple of different chargers that they use for their stuff. The one that came with my drill driver combo is this one here. It'll do the M12s, these little guys here. I use them in my light, but it'll do the M18s as well. They have another charger that's bigger, that's like the super fast high-speed charger, but they also have a littler charger that comes with the tool when you buy the tool that comes with the battery. That's the M12 system that only has the M12 charging port instead of the M12 and the M18. So I've got one of each of those. I don't have any of the super fast ones because I just don't. And there you go. This is how you unbox a tool on stream in your garage. Nice and basic, pretty straightforward. It works.